Hi, it's Trisha Morris at Club Scrap with another original collection. This one is called Take Flight. So the prints in the box include two each of this gorgeous balloon print. I just love the color and the clouds, the ethereal feel of it. And then we have two of these collage prints. Again, we've got watch gears, watches, balloons, stripes, all kinds of fun things going on here. And then from the plain sheets in the collection, you'll find two pieces of this light pink, a lovely dark pink, and then this paper is really exceptional. It's got a nice heft to it. It's a gorgeous light blue and this lovely dark blue. To help you complete your pages and projects more easily, we also create two 12 by 12 sheets of printed cutaparts. You can trim them into border strips, little captions, tags, little circular embellishments, and journaling prompts, and more. To make your pages go further, we trim a dozen photo mats strategically to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, since most of our photos are 4 by 6. We've selected some beautiful ribbons to coordinate with your collection. I'll show you how to use them in the workshop video. We've got this beautiful dark blue, a sparkly pink, and a nice soft white. Other embellishments include this really cool burnt edged vintage washi tape, 3 hot air balloon woodcuts, 2 large silver wing charms, this nifty skeleton key, and a tiny little pocket watch. Now the best part about Club Scrap kits is that we provide a full set of printable instructions, so there's never any doubt as to how to approach using all the contents of the box that we ship to you. So during the video workshop, I will help you sort the papers, we'll trim them very specifically, and then turn them into cohesive double-page spreads. Every embellishment has been incorporated and used on these pages, and when you're finished, there will be nothing left over, and you'll simply be able to add your pictures to the pages to complete your albums very efficiently and very beautifully, I might add. So I do look forward to welcoming you to the Take Flight Page Kit Workshop, and think about becoming a member of our club. Come and join us.